And welcome back to Backspace Academy. In this section, I'm going to break with tradition a little bit, and I'm going to just basically throw you in at the deep end. So we're going to create a very complex and bulletproof architecture with no experience whatsoever. So that will enable you to get some very good confidence in using Amazon Web Services. And you'll also learn about the power of Amazon Web Services, not only the power of Amazon Web Services, the simplicity of using and utilizing that power for hosting a static website. You'll get exposure to many commonly used services, and that will include the Amazon S3 service or simple storage service, and we're going to use that to upload our website to Amazon Web Services. And then we're also going to use that same service to host this website to the wider internet. Once that's set up, then we can start looking at getting some really high performance out of our website. And the way we can do that is by using the CloudFront Content Delivery Network. What that will do, it'll grab a copy of that website and it will distribute it across well over 50 edge locations across the globe. So what that means is that when someone accesses your website, they're going to get very, very low latency, very fast response to those requests to your website. Once that's up and running, and we've created that CloudFront distribution or that cache that has been distributed across these edge locations, we can then look at using the Route 53 domain name service to route traffic that is going to go to our domain to that CloudFront distribution. Once that's up and running, then we're going to go a little bit step further and then we're going to look at implementing HTTPS. And so we'll do that by using the AWS Certificate Manager to create a secure sockets layer or SSL certificate for us, and we will associate that certificate with our CloudFront distribution. So there's a lot going on there. It's a big exercise to do at the start, but I'm sure you can appreciate when you get at the end of this, you're going to realize that yes, you can do this. Yes, this is what you want to do. And yes, there is certainly a very bright light at the end of this AWS tunnel. And it's certainly worthwhile persisting and getting to the end of this course. So without any further ado, let's go and jump in at the deep end.